Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Sharma. Today I will talking about the descriptive statistics. So let's learn about it step by step. So today is the agenda to understand this topic and what we are going to be covered. So first one is that why descriptive statistics is important. We will cover the three main ideas: mean, median and mode. And after that a hands-on example using the real numbers we will use, and after that we will check that how people use these things in ideas in their real life, and of course a time for any question at the end. So let's start. So why descriptive statistics? So every day loads and loads of data gets created. It's like a big puzzle. Descriptive statistics help make sense of this puzzle also. So as we know that daily 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are created every day. So with that much of data, how do we create and how do we make sense of it? So let's try to understand with each and every concept here. First topic is about the mean. So first let's talk about the mean. Is just another name of the average, we can say that. So here you can add up all the numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. So the formula for mean, like sum of x, like that is the number total data points divide by n. Let's understand it by the example. So for example, let's took the data set here. Our data set is 5, 7, 9, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 15 and then 18. So if we will calculate the average of this data set, we have like sum of x divided by n, right? So we have like we sum all the numbers and divide by the total data points. Let's say we have the data points is 10. So the our average would be like our mean would be the 11.4 here. And as we can understand this thing by the help of the graph, this is the bar graph representation. So the number is 11.4, so it will become somewhere here. So this is our mean. After the mean, let's try to understand about the median. So when we talk about the median, it's a middle number. If there is an odd number of the values, just pick the middle one. And if there likewise, for example, we have the 5 number. So the third one is our the median. But if there is an even number of the values, we will take the two middle numbers and find their average. So let's say we have the 6 number, we average the third and fourth numbers to get the median, right? So formula is for odd and median is equal to value at n plus 1 divided by 2 position. So this is the formula for the odd number. And when we have the even number, so we have the formula for the like median is value at n by 2 position plus value at n by 2 plus 1 position and divide by the 2. So this is the formula for our odd and even value for to calculate the median. Let's understand it by the example. So this is the example of the median. So let's say we have the this is the example of the even number. So let's say we have the data set 5, 7, 9, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 15 and then 18. Right, so this is the even number. So we will take the two middle number, that is the 10 and the 12. We will put the two number here and then divide by the 2 and we will calculate our median, that is the 11.0. So let's try to understand this thing by the help of the graph. So in the graph the pictorial representation is here, so we can see that our the number is 11, our median is 11, so it is represented somewhere here. So that is how we calculate the median. After that we have the mode. So it is the number that shows up the most times, or we can say that this is the number that appears most frequently in our data set. So this is called the mode. So let's try to understand with the help of the example also how we can calculate our mode. So this is our the data set, like we have the numbers here, that is the 5, 7, 9, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 15 and then 18. So as we can see in our data set, the most frequent number is repeated, that is the 9. So even we have the 15 also, but we will mostly calculate like the first number that appears the most frequently. So the mode is here 9. We can check the 15 also here, but we will take it the 9 to show it. So if we can understand this thing with the help of our example or our bar graph, you can see that the 9 is the number. So by the help of the pictorial representation, we can see that here it is repeated. So that is why it is showing here. So that is how we understand the mode. So after completed like the mean, median and mode here, now let's try to understand the things that how we are using such applications in our real world scenario also, right? So how we using the descriptive statistics or the mean, median, mode in our real world applications. So like you might be wonder why we are using it, why we are learning this, right? So well, this is a simple idea to help in many areas also, like figuring out typical weather or deciding the house prices also. We can use the descriptive statistics, we can use such scenario in sales also, marketing also. So we are using it. So descriptive statistics, we can say that it is everywhere we are using it. So from calculating our average temperature to determine the climate patterns, do the weather prediction also, you can say. So we are using the descriptive statistics to calculate the median house prices is helping you deciding like where you live, where you can't live. So these all are the by the help of the maths, by the help of like descriptive statistics, we are using the real world applications here. So that is how we are using this into our daily life scenarios also. After that, this is the summary of the applications and the takeaways. So to wrap up and to understand such things, like I can say that descriptive statistics gives us powerful insights into the vast amount of the data. That is help us like to make the informed decisions also. So to wrap up, I would say like descriptive statistic is a cool tool to make big data easy to understand. Even apart from this, we can use like descriptive statistics in data science also. We are using the descriptive statistics in machine learning also, in artificial intelligence also, in digital marketing also. So we are using this all the descriptive statistics. So without descriptive statistics, it's hard to understand the maths also, to make the applications, to make the like software development application, to make the applications to software tools also, we are using it. All right. So thank you for listening, and thank you for the giving the chance for this. And if you have any questions, you can comment it out. And thank you very much.